Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Grable and welcome back to our grade 3 math class where we are constructing skeletons on page 100 to 100s, 010s, 21s. No, it's not Halloween, not that kind of skeleton. Although it is kind of like our bones that hold us up. In this case it's more about structures and 3D solids that will be held up with our skeleton parts. Here we go. Constructing skeletons. Unit 6, Lesson 7, page 102. Now, when you take a look on the quick review, it says, a skeleton is a model of an object showing only the edges and vertices. You describe a skeleton by its number of vertices and edges. So as you can see on your page, a cube, the skeleton, has 8 vertices and 12 edges. A prism has 6 vertices and 9 edges. Now, we are going to build our own skeleton here. This skeleton is made of straws and balls of modeling clay, and I've created this as well. How many straws does the skeleton have? Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look here. Okay, here it is. I built it there. And actually, I'll give you a big hint. How many do you see over there? Yellow ones and purple ones. Yes, there are 8. You can see the 8. There's 4 on the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 purple ones. So there are 8. 8 straws. Okay, so for A, we'll put 8, or E-I-G-H-T. Alright. How many balls of clay does a skeleton have? Now you can look on your picture, or you can look over here. And as you can see, I have 4 red ones that represent the 4 pink ones, and 1 blue one on top. So 4 plus 1, 5 pieces of clay. So 5. 5, or F-I-V-E. And then finally, which object is the skeleton model of? Well, it would be a prism if it had 2 faces and 2 bases, but it isn't. It is a pyramid. Pyramid. There you go. And I want to show you my pyramid once more, just so you can get the idea here. Here it is. We have the 4 on the bottom that you can make a square or a rectangle, and then they have all triangle face. So one base here of a square or a triangle. Mine's a square, or a square rectangle, sorry. 4 sides, right? So a square rectangle. And then you see the other faces are all triangles, meeting up to the point there. So 4 triangles and 1 base. So that's 5. Okay, and the parts that I used are right here. There's 4 yellow, 4 purple, 1 blue ball, and 4 red or pink balls. There you go. Whew. Okay, number 2. How many straws and balls of clay would you need to build a cube? Oh boy, this is your job. Okay, so you have to build a cube. Remember, you're gonna, I see 4 for sure. 4 on top, 4 on the bottom. Look, there's a cube skeleton in the quick review. Check that out. Find some clay or plasticine or something, and straws, or I use kind of like little sticks. It's fun. Put it together. It's kind of like art. Have a great day with your 3D objects, skeletons. Bye-bye.